Hello, my name is Carmen Bruni,
And I'm Bernard Conrad.
and in this video we're going to teach you how to upload a picture file to the wiki. Picture files, what extensions does the wiki take? Is it JPEGs? I know it definitely takes JPEGs. I think it takes PNGs as well.
It will tell you.
It'll tell you, yeah. Just try to keep it in a common form, and I think you'll be okay. So we're here on this page for Math 102, December 2012. And this is a question. This is an optimization question, where you have a cylindrical house with a half sphere on top. You want to know the cheapest house that you can build that maximizes its volume, something like this. So in this picture, or in this question, we wanted to include a picture. So we drew on a whiteboard a little picture of our little house, and and then we took a picture and uploaded it to our wiki. So how do we upload it? And the correct way to do this is to click on this tool, to click on Upload File. And when you click on here, it'll take you to basically to something called the Upload Wizard. And the Upload Wizard is really intuitive. I mean, you click on Next, you find a media file, you upload it, you release the rights. So you're not allowed to upload anything copyrighted. You have to create it yourself. Give a little description, and then its use.
Yeah. So once you upload your file, it will show you you will choose the name of the file, and will upload it to that name. So you can then use that name to embed it into the pages, and we'll show you how to do this.
That's right. So let's go back to this page. So let's just start with this picture page. So let's edit, and we'll show you how to embed the picture. So here we have, this was our file name. We chose to call it MER Math 102 December 2012 question C52 solution.jpg. So JPEGs are allowed to be uploaded. And then once we did that, we specified how big we wanted it. That's what we can do there. The parameters you can play around with. There's a thumbnail. I think that's the default that the wizard uses. We tend not to use the thumbnail. But if you leave this blank, it'll just upload the big picture. You have to start it with file. So file colon, your file name, and then pipe, and then, well, exactly. An optional pipe. Yeah, optional pipe with the parameter, or just close the bracket off.
Exactly. We don't have a convention for the file names. Because it is not necessary here, it just needs to know where the file is located, and you can name whatever you want. Of course, we encourage you still to give it a sensible name that's related to MER and links to the question and solution that we want to use it.
That's right. Specifically, at the very least, you should include the exam title, the year, and the question number. That would be, at the very least, helpful. I mean, that's what people know what's going on.
Once you do that, your file will show up, and will be just used.
And that's it. Yeah, and you can use it. You can use this on multiple pages. So if you upload the file from, like, let's say, a different page, you can use it in different places. That's fine. It doesn't know or doesn't remember where you clicked the upload file button, for example.
Exactly.
And it puts it on the wiki, and you can just use it. That's it.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty much everything. So with these steps, you should be able to add solution, hints, questions, contents, no problem throughout the wiki. Do we want to talk about deleting? If you need to delete a page. So deleting is difficult, I guess.
Yeah, for deletion, we do not have even if you have the access rights to change this page in the namespace signs, or on the wiki in general, you do not have the rights to actually delete pages entirely. The way this works is that you can flag, pages for deletion, and then the administrator will, I think it's just delete.
Is it just delete? Okay, yeah. So here I've cut all the content. So let's go to show preview just to see what happens. So double curly brace delete, and then it just says this article.
So this embeds the template created by the admin and administrators of the wiki to flag this for deletion, and then on a regular interval, the administrator will go through all these pages that are flagged and actually delete the ones that actually need to go. So this is for security, to not lose any content. And when you do flag a page for deletion, please also add the reason for that in the commit message before you hit the save.
That's right. So down here in the summary, you want to add why you want to delete it. Usually it's because you made a misclick, you added one too many hints, or you made changes and the hint is gone. You misput something. There's lots of reasons. There are certain pages where it's more costly to make a mistake. Like if you were to make a mistake while course creation, that would be a little bit more costly then.
But either way, it will all be cleaned up eventually. It can just
That's right.
take
That's
a few
right.
more weeks than
That's right. So try to be a little bit careful when you're doing the big steps, the adding of an exam, the adding a question page, the adding of a course. With the adding of an extra solution or a hint, it's not as bad. And if you just flag it for deletion, it's okay.
Great. With that, we thank you for your attention
And
for following these videos.
Absolutely. So hopefully we'll see you on the wiki soon. Take care.